Okay, so this week's activity is, or this unit's activity, I should say, is called ClassFest. And here's what we're going to do. So there are multiple ways for you to gain points. And the obvious goal for us is for you to get your 20 points for the unit assignment, okay? And there are multiple ways that you can go about doing that. So if you look at the assignment page, it lists off different levels of activities that you can do and how many points the activity is worth. In order for us to start the class fast, you have to do a level 2 or above activity yourself. So those include things like reviewing an article, things like that. So the level 1 activities, which only give 1 point, you cannot just do 20 of those. Okay, so you have to have at least a level 2 or above activity done. And I kind of tried to provide as many varied activities as I could, so that if you enjoy doing, if you enjoy writing, or if you enjoy speaking, or if you enjoy maybe, if you take really good notes throughout the unit and you want to share those notes with your classmates, all of those are activities that you can use to gain points. If you want to do a video about a topic that was of interest to you, that you learned more about, then you can do that as well. I have examples of how the posts should look. I didn't do all of the point levels. I did a couple of them to give you an idea of how it should look. And if you have questions specifically about ClassFest, then there's actually a discussion kind of linked to ClassFest where you can ask questions about ClassFest, if that makes sense. And then if the class gets to a certain number of points throughout the unit, then everyone who participated so far will get extra points. All right. So it's kind of like a game, and it's also obviously a learning activity where you get to choose what you want to learn more about from Unit 3, and then how you want to demonstrate that learning, whether it be through, summarizing an article that hasn't been provided in the unit. You can't choose the ones that I already gave you, okay? Or if you want to make a video about something that you learned about, those are all options for things that you can do with ClassFest. Again, if you have questions about ClassFest, feel free to post those in the ClassFest discussion board.